Usemotion app review. Is it worth using? In this video, I'm going to show you whether the Usemotion app is worth using. Usemotion is a smart calendar and task management app designed to automate your schedule. It integrates your calendar into do list, then dynamically reorganizes tasks based on your priorities, deadlines, and availability. If you often struggle with managing a packed schedule or suffer from decision fatigue, Usemotion offers a structured, automated approach that helps you focus on doing and not planning. The core values lies in its real-time adaptability. When meetings change or tasks are completed early, Usemo should reshuffle to remaining schedule automatically. It also blocks time for deep work, add buffers, and avoids overbooking. You can set goals for weekly tasks, hours, or daily focus time, and the app adjusts your timeline to meet those objectives. However, it's not ideal for everyone. If you're a spontaneous planner or don't rely on a structured calendar, its rigidity might feel excessive. It also comes at a monthly subscription cost, which might not be justifiable if you're not using all its features. Overall, if you need help managing a busy, high output day and prefer a hands off AI powered approach to time management, use Motion is worth trying, especially with a free trial. And that's how you decide if Use Motion is worth using.